What's up guys, I am Zain and today I'm going to show you how to change language on HBO application. First, you should open HBO Max application on your phone. Then what you should do right now is to simply click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then it will show you this page. Now go to the settings on the top right corner. You will find this gear icon, tap on it. Then here you should search for display language or any other similar option. So here in my case, I'll click on display language. Then after that, you have to choose any language that you want. And now after choosing the language, click on OK right here or click on confirm. And after that, you can simply navigate to the home page of the application and see if all things are changed to the new language. You can check the settings, you can check the menu, and so on. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.